What's up, guys? So what I'm doing today is putting a AutoZone pipe. Spray painted it. Don't mind the markings. It's from my hand. Before this, what I was doing was I had to send my ECU back to GDE to get it fixed since my DEF gauge stayed 50, so, or half tank. So that's what I did. And also I did clean my map sensor, you know, might as well. It wasn't too bad. Other than that, just here, so just doing stuff. See if I can fit this pipe in there. Should. But anyways, so how this thing goes is if you buy this pipe, see this end, the one with a little bit flared, will go to your air box. That's so. Reasoning being is it's snug, so it's pretty good seal. If you use this end, it's pretty loose, you know. So but this one has good fit. So anyways, I'm gonna put this end on the turbo side. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because that part of the hose is pretty much flat, you know. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. This wasn't really easy as it looks like. What I end up doing is put some lube on the rubber piece. You know, lube makes things slippery, so I got it in there, but not all the way in. So still working on it, and just want to give you guys an update. All right, so I got it in there. Tighten it up, not too tight. I don't want to strip the clamp, so it shouldn't leak. I mean, it has a good seal. So now put the bottom part of the air intake, put the top part, and that's it. Button up everything and connect my battery and start it and see what happens. All right, I got it all secured. Double check, making sure all my connectors or connections are good. Everything is tight. Let's go fire it up. And let's see. I have 72,000 miles on the clock. DEF is good. That was my last, pretty much that's what it looks like before I swapped the ECU. Alright, let's go ahead and start it and see what it sounds like. Sounds like nothing. normal. For sure I will be hearing the turbo when I drive just because of the ECM tuning, but other than that it seems normal. On the positive note, the pipe is round instead of this thing right here. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's something behind the engineering of what makes a flat thing is efficient, or maybe it's just a design. I have no idea. Maybe it's just to muffle the sound. Not sure, but well, I'll give it a little bit of rev. See what it sounds like. Yeah, I can hear it. Well, I was expecting something a little bit like a turbo whistle, but you know, it's not like the other diesel that I worked on. But other than that, that is it. Just want to install that intake pipe for cheap. I think it was like $6.99. Just painted it with high temp bronze that I have. Yeah, I did a primer and all that thing. Other than that, I'm happy to get my ECM back. And I'm about to drive and get this thing sorted out. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.